ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر وذكر الله كثيرا. صدق الله العظيم. Which means that there is indeed a good model for you in the messenger of Allah, for the one who has hope in Allah and the last day and remembers Allah profusely. Respected teachers and my dear friends, a personal life that gathers within itself the diverse experiences of every human being, every human condition, every type of pure emotion, and every form of perfect character is found only in the biography of Muhammad, the messenger of Allah. If you are wealthy, then follow the example of the merchant of Makkah and the well-known trader of Bahrain. If you are poor, then listen to the story of the prisoner of the valley of Abu Talib and the guest of Medina. If you are a king, then study the life of the Sultan of Arabia. And if you are a common subject, then take a look at the one who once lived under the authority of Quraysh. If you are a conqueror, then cast your eyes on the commander of Badr and Hunayn. And if you have tasted defeat, then take a lesson from the battlefield of Uhud. If you are a teacher, look at the sacred instructor of the school of Dar al-Arqam. If you are a student, fix your gaze on the one who sat before the trustworthy spirit, Angel Jibreel. If you are a preacher and advisor, then listen to the words of the one who stood upon the pulpit of the mosque of Medina. If you wish to proclaim the message of truth in a state of loneliness and isolation, then before you is the perfect example of the helpless and unsupported prophet of Makkah. If after the help of Allah you have subdued your enemies and weakened your opponents, then behold the conqueror of Makkah. If you want to manage your work and worldly affairs properly, then look at the administration and organization of the one who oversaw the lands of Khaybar and Fidak. If you are an orphan, then do not forget the beloved child of Abdullah and Amina. If you are a child, look at the cherished son raised by Halima and Sadia. If you are a youth, then study the life of the young shepherd of Makkah. If your work involves travel, then search for examples in the life of the caravan leader of Bahrain. If you are a judge or arbitrator, look at the one who entered the Kaaba before sunrise and resolved the dispute by placing the black stone in its corner. Look also at the just ruler who sat in the courtyard of the simple mosque, where at his side king and beggar, rich and poor were all equal. If you are a husband, study the pure life of the blessed husband of Khadija and Aisha. If you have children, then learn from the father of Fatima and the grandfather of Hassan and Hussein. No matter who you are and what your situation may be, for every seeker of truth among humankind and every soul searching for the light of faith, the life of Muhammad alone is the model of guidance and the means of salvation. May Allah Almighty grant us the ability to understand the perfect example of the noble prophet and to act on it. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.